Imagine a single, natural ingredient that could supercharge your poultry's immunity, improve nutrient absorption, and even help you save money on vet bills. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today, we're uncovering how to create what many traditional farmers call black gold, activated charcoal. Made from simple wood, using natural methods, this powerful tool can help detoxify your flock from the inside out. And before we dive in, let me know something real quick. Where are you watching from right now? Drop your country or region in the comments. I'd love to see how global this poultry community is. Now, let's get into it. What if I told you a simple, natural ingredient could completely transform your flock's health, reduce losses, and improve productivity without expensive drugs? Most poultry keepers struggle with digestive upsets, loose droppings, poor feed conversion, weak immunity, sudden unexplained losses, toxins from moldy feed or contaminated water. The common solution? More medications, more supplements, more money spent. But the real problem often starts inside the gut. That's where activated charcoal comes in. Not ordinary charcoal, not ash from your kitchen fire. We're talking about properly prepared activated charcoal, made specifically for animal health. And today, you'll learn how to make it yourself. Let's clear up a common misunderstanding. Regular charcoal is simply burned wood. Activated charcoal is charcoal with millions of tiny pores. These pores act like powerful magnets. Inside your bird's digestive system, activated charcoal binds toxins, traps harmful bacteria, absorbs excess gases, helps flush out unwanted substances. This process is called adsorption. That's why activated charcoal is used in poultry detox, emergency poisoning cases, water purification, traditional animal care. Extra benefits poultry farmers notice. Farmers who use activated charcoal correctly often report better feed efficiency, stronger immune response, less odor from droppings, reduced bloating, stronger eggshells, more energetic birds, clean gut, healthy bird, better results. The quality of your charcoal starts with your wood. Best options: hardwood, fruit tree wood, dense dry branches. Avoid completely treated or painted wood, plywood or processed wood, soft woods that burn too fast. Dry wood is essential for good charcoal. Charcoal is made by burning wood with very little oxygen. This process is called pyrolysis. Simple method: 1. Load dry wood into a metal drum or container. 2. Cover tightly, leaving small air holes. 3. Heat slowly. 4. Allow the wood to char, not burn. 5. When smoke reduces, seal completely. 6. Let cool fully. Always do this outdoors and follow safety precautions. Once cooled, you now have raw charcoal. Activation is what makes charcoal powerful. Method 1. Steam activation, most natural. 1. Crush charcoal into small granules or powder. 2. Place over boiling water using a metal sieve. 3. Steam for 30 to 60 minutes. 4. Dry completely under the sun. This opens up the pores naturally. Activated charcoal works best when used in moderation. How to give it: mix lightly with feed, or offer free choice in a separate feeder. Birds often know when they need it. Safe dosage guidelines. Adult chickens, about 0.5 to 1% of total feed, 2 to 3 times per week. Chicks, very small amount, once weekly. Observe carefully. Other poultry, adjust based on body size. Do not use daily for long periods. Charcoal can bind nutrients if overused. Signs it's working: firmer droppings, better appetite, increased activity, reduced smell. DIY charcoal isn't just for birds. It can also be used for compost improvement, soil conditioning, odor control, basic filtration uses. This approach represents true self-sufficient farming, reducing dependence on external inputs and improving long-term resilience. Imagine the improved health, the stronger birds, the reduced losses. Your flock will feel the difference. If this video helped you, like it, share it with another poultry keeper. Subscribe for more natural poultry solutions. And don't forget, tell me in the comments, Where are you watching from?